in honor of National Joke Day, you guys get the pleasure of hearing HVAC dad jokes. You're welcome. Why is the thermostat single? Because it was too controlling. Why did the air conditioner apply for a job? Because it wanted to make some cool cash. Why did the condenser fan motor and the capacitor break up? They just lost their spark. That's a good one. Happy National Joke Day, you guys. Stay blessed. Like, share, comment. We appreciate it. Thank you, guys.